Hello, what's up, guys? This is your Khan back again. As you could see, this is my affiliate earning right now. So again, just learning and consistent process, trial and error, guys. So there's no easy way out. But still, I'm making good money. One question I got asked was, if you see over here, I saw your video. I can relate to you because I also perform the same practice. If you see, I create a lot of resistance. I have no patience after running the campaign. I check Clickbank stats every 5 minutes, and after spending $50 to $100 and seeing no result, I pause the campaign. Is there any way to remove this resistance? So guys, I'm gonna give you an easy way. Okay, so think about it right now. So I hope you can see my screen. Okay, so let's say you're promoting let's say offer. Okay, this is the offer, this is the average cart value. Okay, and this would be bidding. Okay, how much clicks per, how much clicks are you paying? So basically, so as you could see, let's say this is the offer called research. Okay, and the other one is synapse. Okay, synapse, and the other one is numerology. Okay, what you have to do is just create rule. Okay, so don't have to think with your mind, you have to just create rule. So average value. Okay, average cart value. Okay, so this one is, imagine this is $112 or $113. Okay, the other one is $134, the other one is $14. Okay, so now what you do is just run ads spend. Usually run people, if you have the money, you can run the ad spend 3x time. Okay, but if you are in limited in budget, run the same value. Okay, run the ad for this much amount of money, this much amount of money, this much amount of money. Okay, just make a fixed limit. Okay, if you don't get sales, okay, if there is a sale with this much amount of money, okay, keep the ad running. Okay, just create rule. If it's not making money, delete it. Okay, and how much are you paying for the clicks? Okay, so imagine you're getting 1% conversion rate. Okay, so this into 0.01. Okay, so this is how much you would be paying for the click. Okay, because if you see, if your conversion is 1%, okay, that's the worst it could go. Okay, then you need to pay around this much amount of clicks and create rules, guys. So if you do this thing, so this won't happen. So just you need to think logic, guys. You just need to think logic, and don't run one offer, run 3 offers. Okay, run 3 offers and you check over here. Okay, so the way it happened was I ran 3 offers. Okay, I lost $200 in this. Okay, but I made $300 in this. So in the end, you know, if I lose on this, but at least I know I'm making on this. So your cost gets covered, and in the beginning, trust me guys, you will lose some money. Okay, that's fine, but once you know that's working, then you can scale it, and then you know you can get a lot of money and you can make a lot of money. I hope this video is helpful, and let me know if you have more questions.